The setup's a little wonky as per usual, but we are building the HG Dendrobium. So let's pop this baby open and see what's inside. Perfect. We got the two containers out. That's step one. That's absolutely step one. Why is there so much fucking hardware? I don't deserve this. I've been good. I don't need this many screws and strings and pieces of paper. 2002. It's older. It's old as hell. It's probably older than some of you in the chat right now. Why? What? It's actual just hardware. I don't understand. I don't deserve this. I have never ever seen hardware like this in a Gundam kit in my life. Like, this is just like construction pieces. This is so weird. I vastly underestimated this kit, chat room, I'll be honest. We will probably not build the GPO3 today. We will probably build this tomorrow, or not tomorrow, next Sunday, like we did with the HG Xiong and the Sinanju Stein. Still cool though. Whoa, good lord. Well, at least we're ready to start. Jesus. Where do we begin? I guess from the beginning? Yeah, you could murder somebody with this. Like, just a heads up, this is a weapon. Like, you hit somebody right in the head with this corner, they're dead. Because this is like, this is the weight of a hammer, at least. Check out whatever the fuck this is, chat room. Isn't that cool? Alright, yeah, this thing looks cool as hell. Holy shit! I won't miss. Holy fuck! This is huge! It's finished, chat room. We've done it. We've built the big fucker. The big fuck man. So, this is the Dendrobium. The recent reprint was the only reason I was able to get my hands on this for a fairly reasonable amount of money. It's big, as you can tell. I would say footprint-wise, like if you stood this upright, it would be a little bit smaller than the Neo Zeong, but it takes up so much more horizontal space on its stand that it's just a different dimension altogether. Overall, this is fun to build. I'm going to be very happy to display this. Oh, I have one more piece I have to put on, actually. That's awkward. I'm going to be very happy to display this. However, this kit's got a big old 2002 printed on it, and fuck me if you can't tell it's from 2002. It's missing a lot of, like, quality of life features that modern kits tend to have, and it does actually hurt it quite a bit. Most notably, the metal frames and the screws are really, really awkward to work with a lot of the time. I guess it's probably mostly fine, but it is just a bit inconvenient. Just because of how cumbersome it can be. Alright. Now back to what I was saying. It's very cool, it's very dated. I would say though, if you've been wanting this kit, then it's about what you would expect. If you're new to the hobby and you're like, oh, I want to get a giant kit, just be prepared for something a little cumbersome, a little awkward. But overall, it's a cool kit. I am glad I purchased it. It's going to be very cool wherever I end up getting to put it, which we're still working on that. We'll figure something out.